Hey, I'm Stephanie Weaver, fine art artist. I specialize in painting custom oil portraits for you. Whatever it is that you cherish, I can bring out that passion in your painting. I used to be a total geek, and I still kind of am, but I was a geek in that I managed a team of software implementation managers. It was neat, it was rewarding in that I was building something, but I just had this other calling, this underground passion of this can't be all that I'm supposed to be doing. Surely I was meant for something else. It wasn't until about 2001 that I actually started painting. One class I went to every week and I looked forward to it every week. It took me like 45 minutes to get there. It would take me an hour and a half to get home, but it was the 3 hours, that one time a week that just fueled me. I remember meeting a lady that was actually in the class, and she had left her high-power marketing job for a major toy company to pursue her passion, which was a cabaret singer and artist. And I remember looking at her and thinking, oh my God, that is amazing. I mean, how could somebody do that? I combined her and thinking about my mom. She always wanted to learn how to hand paint china because it's so delicate and intricate. And it wasn't until her 50s that she actually started doing it. And now she's known for some of her china painting. And so I'm looking at these women, and they are such big mentors for me that I was thinking this whole time, this can't be enough. Then my husband was about to get deployed, and that was the point where I knew I was done. And I remember sitting in the hotel room one night, and I was sitting there just drawing a praying mantis. And I remember thinking, if only I could just find a way to do this art career, and maybe I could teach, maybe I can do something, but I gotta do something else because this is horrible. Thankfully, my husband, he said, your responsibility is to take care of the family and do what they need to do. You don't have to worry about the rest of this stuff. We've got this. Him saying that changed my world. Being a stay-at-home mom led me back into my studio, and that's where I really found myself. This is where my heart is. My stomach got butterflies. I just couldn't wait to see what would happen next. And I could feel, my heart opening to what I was supposed to do. Like God was saying, finally, you're listening. How does it feel when somebody receives a custom pet portrait or a custom children's portrait? Overwhelming happiness, excitement. They didn't even know they wanted it. A gift that I tell you will make them cry every single time because you just gave to them something that they will cherish for the rest of their lives. The funny thing, if you remember the praying mantis that I was talking about earlier that I was drawing, that was the first piece that I ever sold. It was so cool. That was just so cool. And there was actually a guy here at Huntsville that bought it. It was meant to be. I'm Stephanie Weaver. Give me a call and we can get your custom painting started today.